guys, how you doing? It's Ashton and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be extending the subway station. Blake, please stop. And I mentioned this in my previous video, and hopefully it'll go well because extending this giant subway station is going to take a little while, so I did a lot off camera.
So we'll have to cut this whole video.
Yeah, we'll have to cut. I'll cut out when I'm doing the roof. Mine's not load in to Blake's world, so I'm gonna have to get out. Why'd you exit?
We'll cut that with the light bulb. Marvel's building is Terrarian.
Okay. And I just have to get back into Minecraft now because this is a fail for me.
Yeah, F-A-I-L. Okay, Jay says he will join in just a second.
Yeah, jail. Join. Okay, building terrain, it says on my screen.
I'm trying to get 20,000 subscribers on my YouTube.
Okay. Oh, cool. Everybody's in. So, look at what we did off camera. Yeah, you are, Jay.
He just left.
Oh. And this is the giant platform I've created over here. So, Logan, if you want, you can start building the museum.
And he can start, or he can help me.
I'll help you on your side, Blake. Have you placed the yellow line yet, Blake?
I can't see you.
Logan, can you help me extend this platform of Blake's?
Just to let you know, my Minecraft world is being super glitchy.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, but I can't do it.
Why?
Because it's give the light.
Okay, Logan, can you help me extend this platform?
Now who are you? Jay the Killer left the game. He got in and left and got in.
Okay. So sorry if I'm not talking because I'm concentrating.
What can I do?
Can you help me with this? Can you place the floor of this? Do you see all this stone?
Charger?
Yes, but it's in our car. And if we even mention the car, my mom will be like, "Oh yeah."
Is this it?
Yes. No. Come to where I am.
Go ask Mom about turning on the movie.
No. Don't. Or else she's gonna say we gotta go.
Wait, go turn it on for Jay.
Okay, so Blake will be right back. Logan, can you please help me?
Where are you?
We're over at the subway station.
Where's the subway station?
It's giant.
It's giant.
Okay, so go on the other side of that and you'll find me building this long platform. So it's just pretty much me and Bailey in the room. Do you see me, Bailey? Building this platform over here?
Yeah.
You just need stone. Logan, you're gonna help me?
I'm thinking of whatever exhibit.
Wait, you're not gonna build the museum right here.
No, I'm not. I'm coming.
Why are you thinking over here?
I'm thinking. Baby. What?
Bailey, I really need your help over here, so hurry over. You could put pirates, you could put mummies, you could put Five Nights at Freddy's, you could put history, you could put planets and stuff. And
Ashton, come here.
no, I need your help, Bailey.
Okay, Jay. What block are you?
A stone.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, so sorry Blake was gone for just a couple seconds, and this platform extends so far.
Is this stone?
Yes, use that to continue on. Do you see what I'm building over here? Just building this super far out? Yeah, that's what I need help with.
Okay.
No, do it on your side. Do it on your side over here.
Where?
This side.
This side?
You see the side I'm building? Yeah, you do that side, okay?
Started the movie. No, it's not Maniacs. It's the Grinch.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, The Grinch, by the way, really good movie. And this video, should...
Do not watch. I'm just kidding. Wait.
I don't know. And, I think in one of my previous videos, I referenced that there is no spoon in. Oh, yeah, it was the banana school. So, yeah, it was in the banana school. I referenced that there should be only forks and knives in the school.
Do this all night?
No, it shouldn't take too long. Yeah. But, what I just realized is if you've ever been to Village Inn, epic place, by the way. Their sign. Oh no, Bailey, do it how I'm doing, and you'll go much faster. Do this. Watch. So Bailey, watch. Do this.
The sign says no. What kind of ID?
That's Blake. Don't do that. Here, do this. Watch. Here, hand me this. So do this.
Actually, why did you laugh?
I didn't mean to. It kicked me out. So do this.
It kicked you up. How the pinch? So pinch, man.
Okay, so, oh wow, this is really sensitive.
I did
Okay,
that.
so pretty much just like
Who, Logan? What are you doing? Making a museum?
like do this, and then like just go and row like across. Okay?
Okay.
Like I'll show you when I come back in. Okay, so sorry I had to leave real quick, but Blake's working on the yellow line and I'm working on
Hopefully we can showcase the museums. I mean, nothing.
yeah, Logan's building a museum.
Ah, dang it, Ashton!
They already heard it anyways.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, Bailey, do it how I'm doing it. Yeah. Blake, are you finished with the yellow line?
Wait, Ashton.
Blake, can you help me with the stone?
I am. Ashton, be quiet. Cue the music for the people.
No. That's copyright.
He promises.
Yeah.
Cue the Grinch.
No.
I don't want to.
No, Bailey, come on. Blake, can you go work on what Bailey was supposed to be doing?
Guys, put the comment in. Okay, I'm going to bed.
Yeah, put a comment in the video telling me your favorite movie.
Shout out your username.
Yeah, and we'll shout out your username.
And your password.
No.
You want to call 12449 to get my free t-shirt
I'm going to
at Pocoyo.com.
I'm going
does
to
not.
sleep.
Pocoyo.com.
Okay, no one else is. Blake, do that. No, Blake, do this. Go all the way down here and extend this part, which was supposed to be what Bailey was extending, but she quit. But she quit. So, Blake, I'm really going to need your help here, because I can't extend this the whole way by myself. I know, but do what I'm doing. You guys are doing it a way that's really bad. Like, doing what?
My job.
What's your job?
My job is helping you.
Okay, you know what? I might actually cut out this part. So, yeah, I'll be back when I'm done filling in this floor. Yeah, okay. So, that is the whole platform done. Logan, if you would just, No, Bailey, do not do anything else, please. Pirate.
I'm just having a child.
The museum is a bit small.
But test is too.
Want me to destroy it or make it longer? Logan?
I'm gonna build
Logan,
What?
do you want me to make the museum
I'm
longer?
gonna build the United Pacific.
Okay, yeah, you do that. Then.
Actually,
Pirate. It's easy.
hey Ashton.
What?
Help me because I can build the track by myself.
Well, Logan's making me do his museum job, so.
What?
Because Logan apparently can't build a simple museum.
And guess where it put me? Back where I was in the
Let's sing some stuff.
Down dead part. I'm gonna call you Billy. I'm not dead, Billy.
Guys, this is sort of annoying to be doing this.
We don't have to delete
I know.
this video.
Why?
Actually, do not.
Because
Do not
I'm in
delete
the
this
chest
video.
attack right
Oh.
If
now.
Wheels watching us, do not.
I
It's
got
video.
a budget track.
Yeah,
Where'd you
know
put that?
who Wheel is. Who? You Ashton said that Wheels cheated on deleting the Thunderbird. You know who Wheel is.
Yeah, okay. Logan, what are you even doing?
See what you did. What?
It's not funny. I can just stop it. Logan, I can stop building your house if you want. If you're just gonna quit on a simple museum.
I don't want to build it outside. I have a great idea that it would take.
So what if it takes a long time? I'm gonna be doing other shops. Blake's gonna be building the Union Pacific. I have to help Blake with tracks though. I have to help Blake with the tracks. Wait, what color are tracks? Okay, it's dark oak.
And polish outside.
I know. Where are you building the lines where the andesite goes?
I'm gonna take that stuff on my budget track.
I did. You build. Wait. I wish there was cars.
I'm putting some stuff.
We had a vehicle to do this.
Yeah.
But guess what? You can't on a mod. You can use vehicles.
Yeah, okay. For some reason I keep jumping out of this hole when I'm building. Yeah, look, that happens. I don't know what's happening with that.
Ah!
Whoa,
Bailey just destroyed the whole entire chest.
No, you did, Logan.
No, I destroyed it.
Logan, can you please?
Let me be.
No, not fix it. Logan, you know what to do. Can you please? Logan, we really need your help here. Like, we cannot do this without you. No. Oh, whatever, fine. No, Logan, no.
What?
You're not gonna trick me in.
No, my Minecraft world just I don't want to build a Minecraft.
Okay, I'll stop on your house. It's a deal.
Wait, do not end this video yet. Because that was my iPod.
Logan, come on. It doesn't even have to have that many exhibits.
So it just has to be a blank museum.
It doesn't have to be a blank museum.
And you can put dinosaurs
I don't
in
know
it.
what to put in it.
Aliens.
Pirates, aliens, dinosaurs, mummies, planets.
Dead monkeys.
Yeah.
And what? And bears.
Bears. That's bear fossils.
Can I join?
No, Blake's not in yet. I know he is.
Bumble,
But
Logan, Bumble, Logan. Bumble.
It's taking so long to build this.
It's taking so long.
Logan, come on, please.
Now can I join?
Building the museum?
How can I join?
I don't have any.
Then make it back or something.
You want me to do your job since Jim?
What's my job?
Your job is
Can
to
I join now?
the tracks out.
What can I join now?
Yes, you were able to join before.
Now I could join.
Fine, I'll dig, you fill, okay?
Finally. Okay, where am I?
It takes.
Oh, that's not
Okay.
Sorry if this is taking so long, it's because...
Let's skip this part.
No, we can't.
What the heck? Why? I was placing blocks, but then
Because...
What, it won't work?
No.
It won't work? Did you go downstairs? No. And how'd you get this information? How'd you get that
Okay, so sorry we're like super silent here, but it's because,
We're concentrating.
and yeah, we might not be able to finish this in this episode. We're gonna have to, like I did last time, I had to do the episode, leave. I did the episode, left, and then came back and showcased what we did. So pretty much, yeah, this is gonna.
Why are you breaking the stuff?
I'm not.
Breaking the middle part.
So if you, oh my gosh, okay, if you saw my screen then, yeah. But if you guys are following along with this and you like this track design, please leave a like and subscribe. Because this is really, really hard.
Hey!
Tomorrow, I will be doing a murder mystery video.
What's a murder mystery?
I'll be doing a murder mystery video trying,
Logan and probably
most likely by myself. Or I could, if I had time, I would do a murder mystery video with Blake after this. But I think I gotta go after this, which just sucks.
Guess what sexy more? I think Jay. Did you say sexy?
No, I said
What the
sucks.
heck, Blake?
Well, pretty much when we're done with the tracks, I might end the episode
Why?
because the episode will be like 17 minutes when we're done with the tracks.
Oh no, my iPad's on fire.
So yeah, we better hurry up these tracks then. Are you feeling, Blake?
Yeah. Ashley, why are you breaking other parts?
It's not my fault.
Your fault.
Logan, are you working on the museum?
This is taking a long time.
Yeah.
Did my first exhibit.
And put like closed for because he escaped.
I'm going to be on my chair.
Okay.
Where my chair is.
Blake, I need your help here.
Hold on. Big old bozo. Hey, Blake, you're a bozo.
How close are you to me? Like really far away? Okay.
I'm very far away.
Well, actually, we're getting really, really close to the end.
Wait. I can't catch up. I can't catch up. Get it?
Then I'll help.
Get it?
No.
I can't catch up.
No, I don't get it.
Where's Jay?
Well, I think I have to go, pretty much.
Here? Where?
Well, once we're done with the tracks, I will have to end the episode.
Why? And my.
Because we gotta go. Because of Jay.
Why? Ashton, don't say it.
I know, we gotta go. I have to.
Go downstairs. Mom couldn't yell out. I didn't hear it.
Me neither.
He's like, when is it time to yell? Why does Jay want to go? Let me go see.
That's Blake's Logan.
What?
Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye!